Hey everybody, it's Tech Brief AI here, and the rumor mill is already churning about Apple's next big thing, the iPhone 17 Air. We're still a ways out from the expected fall 2025 launch, but the leaks and speculation are starting to paint a picture of a phone that could be a real game changer. One word keeps popping up: thin. Apple seems laser-focused on making the 17 Air the slimmest iPhone ever, and that has some serious implications for design, battery life, and the overall user experience. Of course, it wouldn't be an iPhone release without whispers of groundbreaking new features, and the 17 Air is no different. We're hearing about everything from a revolutionary new battery technology to a mind-blowing camera system. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of the iPhone 17 Air. Let's break down the rumors, analyze the potential, and see if this phone lives up to the hype. Let's talk design. The defining feature of the iPhone 17 Air is rumored to be its thinness. We're talking thinner than any iPhone before it, potentially even slimmer than some of the most svelte Android phones on the market. To achieve this, Apple's going to have to get creative. We could see a radical re-engineering of the internal components, with everything from the battery to the logic board getting a miniaturization makeover. The materials used will also play a crucial role. We might see Apple pushing the boundaries of aerospace-grade aluminum or even incorporating exotic new alloys to shave off precious millimeters. But this relentless pursuit of thinness begs the question: at what cost? Will Apple have to compromise on battery life, durability, or other key features to achieve this design goal? It's a delicate balance, and one that Apple will have to navigate carefully. Here's the big question: how will Apple cram a decent battery into a phone this thin? Rumors suggest they're working on a new solid-state battery technology that could offer significantly higher energy density than current lithium-ion batteries. This means more power in a smaller space, potentially allowing Apple to maintain or even improve battery life despite the thinner design. However, solid-state battery tech is still in its early stages, and mass production can be tricky. If Apple can pull it off, it would be a game changer, not just for the iPhone 17 Air, but for the entire smartphone industry. But if they can't, they might have to make some tough choices about battery capacity. We could see the return of battery cases, faster charging speeds, or even software optimizations to squeeze every last drop of juice out of a smaller battery. Only time will tell how Apple plans to solve this power puzzle. Moving on to the display, and the rumors are just as exciting. We're expecting Apple to stick with their stunning OLED technology, but with some key upgrades. Think even brighter panels, improved color accuracy, and maybe even a faster refresh rate for smoother scrolling and animations. The screen size is another point of speculation. Some rumors suggest Apple might go with a slightly larger display, taking advantage of the thinner bezels to maximize screen real estate without increasing the overall footprint of the phone. Imagine a 6.8-inch display crammed into a body that's barely bigger than the current iPhone 16 Pro. That would be impressive. And let's not forget about the notch, or lack thereof. Apple might finally be ready to ditch the notch entirely, opting for an under-display camera for a truly immersive, all-screen experience. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to pack Apple's latest and greatest A17 Bionic chip. This chip will likely be built on a more advanced manufacturing process, meaning even faster performance and improved power efficiency. Expect significant gains in CPU and GPU performance, making everything from gaming to augmented reality experiences smoother and more responsive. But it's not just about raw power. Apple's chips are known for their tight integration of hardware and software, and the A17 Bionic is rumored to take this to the next level. We could see major advancements in on-device AI processing, enabling features like real-time language translation, advanced image editing, and even more intuitive Siri interactions. The A17 Bionic could be the most powerful mobile chip ever put in a smartphone. Section 6. Picture-perfect camera upgrades and innovations. Cameras are always a big deal when it comes to new iPhones, and the 17 Air is rumored to feature some significant upgrades. We're expecting Apple to stick with a triple-lens system, but with larger sensors and improved optics for even better image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Computational photography will also play a major role. with the A17 Bionics neural engine powering advanced image processing algorithms for sharper images, more natural bokeh, and improved dynamic range. Apple might even introduce new camera features like 8K video recording at higher frame rates or improved portrait mode capabilities. The selfie camera is also rumored to get a significant upgrade, potentially moving to a 48MP sensor with autofocus for sharper, more detailed selfies and improved video calling quality. Apple's focus on camera technology has always been a key differentiator for the iPhone, and the 17 Air looks set to continue that trend. Section 7. Premium price, premium performance. What will it cost? Let's talk about the price. Apple's never been shy about charging a premium for their products, and the iPhone 17 Air will likely be no exception. With all the rumored advancements in design, technology, and camera capabilities, we can expect the 17 Air to be one of the most expensive iPhones ever released. Rumors suggest a starting price well over $1,000, potentially even higher for models with increased storage capacity. This would put the 17 Air in direct competition with the most premium Android flagships, as well as foldable phones like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series. Apple's banking on the 17 Air's combination of sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and a seamless user experience to justify the high price tag. But will consumers be willing to shell out that much cash for a phone that's all about being thin? Section 8. The competition heats up. Samsung, Google, and the foldables. The smartphone landscape is more competitive than ever, and Apple isn't the only player in the game. Samsung continues to push the boundaries of foldable technology with its Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip series, offering unique form factors and features that Apple can't match. Google's Pixel phones are gaining traction with their focus on computational photography and clean Android experience. And let's not forget about the rise of Chinese brands like Xiaomi, Oppo, and OnePlus, which are offering impressive specs and features at more affordable price points. The iPhone 17 Air will have to be truly special to stand out in this crowded market. Apple can't rely on its brand name alone. They'll need to deliver a phone that pushes the boundaries of innovation, performance, and design to justify its premium price tag and maintain their position as the leader in the smartphone industry. Section 9. The future of iPhone is thinner, always winner. So, what does the iPhone 17 Air tell us about the future of the iPhone? Is thinness the new frontier in smartphone design? Or is Apple focusing too much on one aspect of the user experience at the expense of others? Only time will tell how the market will react to the 17 Air's radical design, and whether this laser focus on thinness will pay off for Apple. One thing's for sure, the smartphone industry is constantly evolving, and Apple needs to stay ahead of the curve to maintain its dominance. The 17 Air could be a bold step into the future, or it could be a misstep that allows competitors to catch up. Either way, it's going to be an exciting year for smartphone enthusiasts. As always, I'll be here to break down all the latest news and bring you my honest thoughts and reviews. Until then, let me know in the comments what you think about the iPhone 17 Air rumors and what you're hoping to see from Apple's next flagship phone. Peace.